No, they're inside. The people are inside. So, hello. Yazi indlela engihambayo la bazobulala la. They might kill me. Oh, what's going on? They might. This might be an episode of Get Out. Chris might kill me because what is this? It's so sunny here, but where I'm coming from, it is nice. That's good. Sige baka. Hi ma, I'm so late. What time is it now? It's way past the time I'm supposed to be there actually. But I had no choice, I was working. Goodness, don't mind business. Kwaze, that one. I couldn't find parking. I had to go all the way around. But yeah, I hope I look fine. Oh, guys, I'm going through it. I hope I look fine. I'm not white. Yeah, I don't care. It's not like coming to find a husband here. So yeah, let's go. What do I do with this brush? Just shove you here. I think so. And then I don't know where the hand cream is. No, let's just go. It's fine. I want to show you my outfit. So this is I. Look, so cute. Guys, it is so full here. Like, I don't understand what's going on. All the way here, and it goes all the way on top. Okay, just see. Guys, we are at Ome Beso, Wazamandozi, and I got her some flowers from Mandy Flora. I'm just so shocked because I'm so late, but there was nothing that I could do because I had to work. You know, I went for a listing this morning, and then will I even have space to sit? I doubt, hey? But I had a viewing and listing appointment, and then I had to deliver flowers, then I had to rush home. The car was dirty and wash it quickly, and I'm just walking all the way up. Yeah, but this is what you get for being late, because I was here earlier. I wasn't gonna, well, I couldn't be here earlier, but let's just see what it has in store for us. Yeah, thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Been walking forever. That's what Zanzibar is.
njalo unkosikazi wakho ukuthi uyakuthanda. That you have exchanged, you have made a spiritual declaration that you are no longer two but one. Amen. Today I made a declaration. Amen. You are husband and wife. So you may kiss your wife. Thank you. Basi napata matamanizo. Leka Mungu Yesu Kristo. Amen.
Amen. Bully mic. I don't see by the man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. But you're short. Show me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You're short. Aibo. Asbela wenganza wetu. Asbela. Awubate teleport. Ziyakhala ngempela ke mama. Mama. Ngifuna ungitshela uthini mama? Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 52, 3, 54, 55, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83,
84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 10,000! 10,000! Out!
That's all.
15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey, ngaze ngayijabula insizwa. Hayi ngaze ngayijabula insizwa. Ngiyayibona intombi bingelela, angathi niyazwa. Isabingelela zodwa la. Somebody. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28. 2.8. Okay, Valentine. Sinelungelo ukuphikisa ukuthi akayivali nje. Sinelungelo. $29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 7, 9, 40, 7, 8, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7.3. Is that good? Oh! Pupura! Yasho no.
Oh, thank you so much, my angle. You love me. My sister made me breakfast. This is so cute. It's a new day. It's a new dawn. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. But I'm not even showing.
That's kind of slow. Can I do it now?
One, two, three.
Pedal. Pedal fast. How many? What even is that?
I can't pedal.
But I can.
Okay, let's do this. This is the before. My hair is such a mess. That's so crazy.
Conversation, me and Daddy's messages, I said to her, you would be shocked because you don't something wrong with me. What is going on with me? And
I know. I've been so bad. Well, let me show you my relaxed hair. This is my relaxed hair. I took a nap after I relaxed my hair. So yeah, I've been a very, very bad girl. Very, very bad girl. I have neglected my duties as a vlogger. That is because I went out, as you saw my Membeso vlog. It was actually, I was invited to Umemulo. Then when I got there, Membeso / it was a wedding. They got married, they did their vows, exchanged rings. There was a pastor and Jay. And then, later on, we had so much fun. Like, I had so much fun. I think I left pretty late. I don't remember the time. And actually, it was before 12, like before 11, I think, because I got home, I think, at 11 latest. And I just had the time of my life. And you're Monumuntu, who's not used to going out, that when they do go out, like, they have the time of their lives. And I had the time of my life. Beautiful dress, her mother dress, honey. She said it costed 40,000 rand and money well spent. It was spectacular. And I'm just going through something. We're going through something. But there's such a breeze about it. Like, yeah, but I'm so sorry for this short vlog. I promise to make up for it. I have a Cape Town trip coming up for my birthday and I hope it will be amazing. So thank you for watching this vlog, and if you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and join the community. And yeah, period.